Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone POCO M6 Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 88.9% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear. That includes 64 megapixel OIS main camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording, maximum 1080p at 30/60 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.1 by 74.95 by 7.98 mm, and it weighs around 179 grams. The color options black, blue, purple colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, with dual speakers, USB Type-C charging port, NFC, IR blaster, IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing. Details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi POCO M6 Pro has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage. Variant at around $199, 16,999 Indian rupees, and 55,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at around $249, 20,999 Indian rupees, and 69,999 Pakistani rupees. And conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Xiaomi POCO M6 Pro smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.